What it do, ladies and gentlemen? Right here we got the little puppy shot. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it or not. So it's like a little yellow color, which is kind of, I guess it's always that color, honestly. I can't remember. I think the 9-ways are pink. But this little girl right here off of Red Bull is about to get her first booster shot. So just highlighting that. Little phenomenal little chick. She's beautiful. Booster shot. Damn. Rub that out. So usually I don't let them touch the ground so they get at least their second shot. So he's about to go back in the house. I just wanted to get out here with a nice light, highlight her, just do a little walk around on the mic. She is nice. She's nervous. She is nice. Oh yeah. So with that being said, Great Go Bully Camp, baby, signing off.